And the Bible said, let the poor say, lift your hand up, come on, quick, quick, you all need that one, say it. I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. Keep going until it comes. Say it loud. Some of y'all stop too soon. I am rich. All right, here then. I am rich. See, some of y'all ain't getting. I am rich. You saying it too soft. I am rich. Yeah, you saying it loud. You're too soft. I am rich. Oh, no. All right. He said it the loudest. See? You shall have whatsoever you say. Why? You function just like God. The same way God created the world with words, you create your own world with words. So God created you just like Him. But the next statement in verse 26 is critical. It says, and let them have dominion. The word dominion is the reason why God created you. He created you like Him for dominion. So God created you to dominate. The word dominate means to govern, to rule, to control, to manage, to lead, to have control over, and to master. It's an important word. You missed the whole list. You didn't write that fast. Let me try it again. The word dominion means to govern, to rule, to control, to manage, to lead, to have authority over, and to master something. I'm going to say it a third time because this is the key to servant leadership. Dominion is the key to servant leadership. I'm going to repeat what dominion means. It's going to make sense at the end of this teaching, and this week you will be blessed by understanding this concept. The word dominion means to govern, to rule, to control, to manage, to lead, to have authority over, and to master something. In other words, God says, let them have rulership, mastery, governorship, authority, control over, and leadership over, and look at the list next to it, the fish of the sea, birds of the air, the cattle of the field, and over all the earth, and over everything that creeps upon the ground. Isn't that beautiful in that list? Can you list those things for me really quickly? List them for me. Fish of the sea, list that fish, write it down, fish. Birds of the air, birds. Cattle of the field, that means all the animals of the field. Then he says, over all the earth. And that statement refers to everything that grows in the earth, plant life. Then the last statement says, and everything that creeps upon the ground. Now, why is that that's an important thing? Because you see, the word creep means to crawl on all fours.